What is up, guys? Friday afternoon. About to get a kickstart off on the weekend. Quick 320 on this, around the mirrors. And we've pulled the tail lights out. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Quick 320 over this all the way up to right there. Hopefully we can get this last sections in primer over the weekend. So look at us, guys. We pink. But hey, 20 minutes a day goes a long ways. Check out where we're at. Went ahead and resanded the doors again also. So I can go ahead and just hit one more coat on all this here back. This side here is officially sanded and ready for some primer. So get over on this other side, knock it down. Maybe tomorrow we'll get some primer on this bad boy. Finish this side out and we'll be good. That's another 20 minutes for the day. It's your boy, DDK.